MPP amamu na nye NDC for amamu de airtime papa amamu fu de NDC for mu bubi tumi ahwenyame ni ma say exchange rate say
abroche for no Borgas for no hoye Levia you okay fine me hoye minimum sesen ka fe ne be to abaka abroche fo nyi na be to ti abaham ebusia uko media ne so Borgas no I started 18 suo yenu mu akwantu mo se mu ko bobera kakra eliska be fie no o master esu no nyina ne se dollar so atihu dollar so te yen na nkaye ni papa mu a enkaye nanso no eniema bo den etu omunya kakra no gase mo sende aba fie abusia emfa so bia ni sika ne so wei ama media so John Mahama aba clash me mo nchire mu no akere wa adwen ama me e wo comment section aha Penyah block media me so ase ni die mo obe like video no adare ma subscribe button na ba click notification icon for latest update aba kire wa adwen dia ma me e wo comment section then so ba so no a share for so anya bi ahwe etimatia yenu am Borgas na ma me nchia Borgas from yenu bi Mr. Frank Kwame Frank Colorado State I think say the cross here Denver Simamoni afacheme Denver Colorado State one Mr. Sapon me ya nyame shiramo amekai an opportunity to that's what say WhatsApp call agent so the pick and say me ambra Penyah Kwame Frank here just say USC I say only Mr. Sapon omo enemy dey nkomo say omo kire say de bia no omo hwe me pa omo hwe mpa so mani asopa nti bia omo bia no a big shout out to you people nyame enhiram na mo nsa na adwuma enyeye. Now let's go to the story. Abusia comedian nso aye nisuo ene abufuo jese na nsia mu yenka bi hyemu ana hu se Bank of Ghana eye nhie bi se o be pompe 1.15 billion dollars akowura forest market hono say be ya seed no benya ahoden over the dollar na ebetimi ate dollar na abafom say hu me go hwe ayedi nkan ye bi etu sika wura dollar ni mu ema seed enya ahoden over the dollar ema dollar so to ete be that 10 cedis column hono mo as ema no achi no Bank of Ghana IMF e won Bank of Ghana say Bank of Ghana enyai eso de no be wura dollar ni cedis ensem ni mu no na ne o ye ne ebebo Ghana ka ebebo ye form ene bi edi akire ebebo ye fam ebe haye Bank of Ghana enyai Bank of Ghana jaye no ye dollar esa cost no say sika na di wura mu de cheese e de che dollar no sebe fa so bi amaso amafo che say expose wo mte na o so mu fa kwan bia so esa ama dollar e ba form etu mu ajai amamu no mu buro mu ajai eno mu focus ye dollar na dollar o mu ma na ba fam e so mu to sika gumo amana nsia dollar sa ti free e ba form na free na atina eba form enkeye ne papa mu enkeye because enke ba form a enema bo be ba form but dollar eba form no enema bo da so dan din o ma na dollar e kosro no o go fa enema begu ho no mo no e ka surusuro eno na bisa comedian ne so a Borgas for ne bi asat e kasa ama TikTokers for no so no e kan bi e kire Mahama
MPP amamu na nye NDC for amamu de airtime papa amamu fu de NDC for mu bubi tumi ahwenyame ni ma say exchange rate say tumi ahwenyame ni ma say dollar what say euros what say pounds what say exchange rate nyina what say no enso umam enema raw materials enka what say enka bone yafo because exchange rate above from store na ekosoro enka me mu ye enka what say dollar nanka eja yesika kakra ye de man yakotu kakra ye de man watete ne ma so Ghana se de be ye betumi ato ne ma Ghana e betumi asende abusuafo sika na he we de why rate sika we mi sika be na me je wa mi ntem sika we mra Ghana na de pa na tumi to e de na tumi to ene ma bo kosoro Ghana akontufo so wasa se o mu rate ye se wangasa de amamu na wo ba no umia Ghana fuom Ghana for so mu fi omo ti aye aten na otu NDC fo mtu nyame anim edi ni pa prosa ama fu de mo bubi papa tumi ahwe nyame anim pa December ya ye be send ye busuafo sika ama mo nya sika to bibia di no ma say rate ni yensi de pa ni asend sika mo December die when it damn so pan the out boy bas fire. Scamma. I can't do it so much. I'm saying first time just 7,000 baby is scanning them. Then I'm better 2 times. Yeah, they may be. Yeah, they may be. What we have in your meaning on money my thing and you my boy costro. Or more bush your forces or more 2 point every Ghana. I'll call concro for me. A Juma cacao, yes, he can't best and never find a Dawson. So what's our 7 rates? If I'm born the same say. And oh, you must be the me on crassy from me. You don't see again any because I on mana yet team. I want you, you're free or money more command from so. Rate is also as he can't best and never feel so. What's I say rate no? Oh, and this is a mammonia, and this is a mammonia.
Ghana for Asɛm Mate sɛ nkurɔfoɔ NDC foɔ yi dede wɔ kurom na dollar no ɛna dollar na aba fam ɛna dollar na aba fam dollar aba fam nanso yɛnte ɛyi kura pure water kura yɛnte so dollar aba fam pure water kura yɛnte so me ɛyɛ no ho sɛ ɔmo yɛ campaign no na dollar aba fam ɛyɛ mesere because ɛho hia mfaso bi ɛni so sɛ sika Bank of Ghana de bɛhyɛ mu yi sɛ dollar in black for me or ko tuatua nurses for ka any junior doctors yi ka nkafa so beba so because dollar ya above for me mfa so bie no beba so galamsey for na beba bebu omo galamsey for ene beba bebu omo mfa so bie no beba dollar ya aba so ye de baba wia galamsey for ama gold ne bo aba form no me yakwan ato more gold eno apɛ because ye nte hwe so kokrom kobisa Ghana ni bia nim se ye nte hwe so dollar ya aba for me aba 10 ayan Ghana ni bia nim se ye nte hwe so inti dollar aba for mu eye mines for ene galamsey for na yedi bu omo kom yedi wi omo keke mfa so bie ni so dollar aba from do kono nte so bibie no ya tese Ghana pin mpo ye nte so Ghana dollar aba from se ye nti pin so Ghana ha inti die ni dollar aba from yedi bu galamsey for omo de dollar ni wi amo omo be to mu gold ni sa se ma tese gold ne bu aba from gold aba from mines for mu pay beba from nti dollar na aba from no mo ye di wi am keke mfa so bie ni so mo man ya so nkonko da dollar aba from nti ye ntimi su cedis with that dollar na ye omo di ye de we asu na dollar aba from cedis appreciation so ye hu hwe man de den te se boba no.
Please, so I'm curious to know something. 6.2 or 6.5 million voters of Mahama, come closer. Please. What is this obsession about dollar and cedi? You people should come and clarify to us. Is it that we didn't understand the promise Mahama made, or it is you people that got deceived? Just tell us the truth so we can stop wasting energies. Because I don't understand. Why is this your Messiah era all about dollar against cedi? Why is the government focused only on impressing you with dollar against cedi? Just recently, they have again injected 1.5 billion to buy fake dollar rate to come and impress you people again. I'm asking you people because I know that those nurses that were out there crying, you are part of the 6 million people that voted for this man. So I'm asking you, if indeed all of you endorse him because you want to see dollar at 10 cedi, whether it is adding up to your life or is not adding up to your life, you just want Mahama to be able to show that you see dollar now is 10 cedi. Why did you go out there to be crying that they should pay you salary? Because as a matter of fact, the money that they're supposed to, in fact, give it to you in salary, so that you even be able to cope. You can be able to afford pepper if they manage to reduce that pepper to 50 pesos. That is the money they would rather use to go and buy fake dollar rate. And then come and go and what? Buy one tot, tramor, Espite Bunto, For those betters you went and spoke pidgin to come to social media and be telling you and be singing that the dollar has reduced back to 10 cedi, the dollar. But ask yourself, why are you crying on the street for your own salary? Why are you still sitting in the house? Why is Labor Minister crying that to just use 47% of revenue they have raised to pay you and employ you, you are not worth it? But they can use about 1.5 billion to go and buy fake dollar and come and let Betters Association come to social media and sing it in your ears that dollar is now 10 cedi, when you yourself, you cannot feel the impact. Is that what you people voted for? Or it is us that is overreacting? We just want to know if all that you come out there to come and, cry, protest, and those who are unemployed and you are sitting in their houses, if this is exactly what you wanted from your Messiah, let us know. Because why? It doesn't make sense. Why? Every time they keep telling you, oh, they just came 10 months. They've been able to incur debt over $10 billion. You that you are sitting in the house, at least they should have been finishing some of those Agenda 111 hospitals that major part of the projects are done. Just touches. But no, they choose to tell you that stay in the house till what, 2027. And then when they realize that their name is fading off, they can actually go press Bank of Ghana neck, squeeze money out of them. Abi is dollar you were singing about. Come and see dollar rate. You people forgot the fact that as at the time that dollar rate was going, salaries were being increased so that you could what? Match up with the rising inflation. That is what sensible governance do. Wakotwa ba edit rank money abetinaso. Dollar ko higher. On to salary move. He will not increase your salary, your wages, so that you can match up till the dollar gains or the cedi gains its own strength. He chooses to what? To go and borrow money. Take huge part of it and share with his babies with sharp teeth. And they drive flashy cars. And he used the remaining to go and buy fake dollar rate. And then come and send Betters Association and drunkards 24-hour clap. So that they will come on social media and be singing on your ears that dollar is now 10 cedi. I don't know whether you people have never seen dollar 10 cedi. Are you saying that in this country that we live in, from 2017 all the way to 2024, you have never seen dollar even reduce lesser than 10 cedi? It's your first time. Because we want to understand this obsession about this government that he can borrow and borrow to buy fake dollar rate for you. And can't pay you salary. Cannot employ you. Cannot even give you better salary increment. We just want to understand. This is what happened to people, serious people. When you joke with your voting rights and you sit down and you think that you are the one, you are the standard of what? Mannerism in society because you have allowed a better, a thought, nipa wetwa thought. Say because you don't like politics. You have allowed them to come and tell you which government is better for you to vote for. This is what happened to us. You endure their nonsense. That's what you are enduring. Today, it is them and those people that when they go and borrow the money, Omo tete omo die de show omo bottom to say Kevin Taylor what to me threaten Mahama friend stupidly stupid. When they were in Boro, they sort all of those mouths out. So they don't rebel. And then they buy fake dollar and use those people that they have sought out to be the ones to come and tell you that this government is working. So you that you are shouting for your salary, shut the fuck up. You are being a hypocrite. They sought them out to be the one to come and attack you. When you come out to demand for better conditions of services, they will come and tell you, say you are a shawo, you are a useless profession. You are being a hypocrite. The government is working. So shut the fuck up. Yes, yeah. Say yeah, never ba. I say abino. Anything at all, their major concern is to make sure say dollar is at a certain rate. And we know the people, they say we don't have to worry about data. We don't have to analyze anything. When they tell you things are hard, don't consider whatever that is happening. Just believe that things are hard because the government is useless. So is that what they are doing? When you just see dollar at 10 Ghana, do not even take your own living now, your condition of living now into consideration. Just believe that things are better and shut up. Just come out and be saying, say, dollar has reached 10, whether you are spending dollar. Even if they are saying they can't employ you, just sing praises on them that dollar has come to 10 cedi. They have done well. They are better. Abba and Papa Abba. That is what they want you to be doing. Ask yourself, is that what makes you go to the poll station to vote? I'm not asking Betters Association and selfish pot-belly politicians. You, me and you, civil servants, people teachers, you are the four, nurse for, a doctor for, a buying Jumaya for. Ask yourself, are you feeling it?
So the wide mama, comment section. I Penyah Block Media.